Good evening, traders. This is Taylor from the tradinganalyst.com, and we're going to take a quick look at the Tesla chart. We did a day trade on some Tesla call options, and if you've been following along, this is a new feature that we're going to be doing. Free feature just to help you guys learn the kinds of trades that we make so that you can be a better trader yourself. So we got some calls and I'm going to go over why we got some calls. So this is the 15-minute chart on Tesla from yesterday, Friday's trading session. So as you can see, we had a nice little bull pennant right here, or symmetrical triangle, whatever you want to call it, and we got long right here on this candle right here. So it broke out of the triangle with this candle right here, but I wanted to see a break above. See this? You know what? I'm just going to draw it out. Okay, so I drew this little support or resistance line right here. So it was the close of this candle. It was the open of this candle, it was the close of this candle, and it was the close of this candle. And I wanted to see a break or a close above this resistance right here, as well as a break outside of this triangle to the upside. So a short signal would have been a break below this line right here, this bottom of the triangle, as well as a break of the lows of these candles right here. So we were looking for two trades. It ended up firing off long, so we got in right here and we alerted it on the private Twitter feed at 11 o'clock. Just after 11 o'clock we got into some next week's calls at 2:25. Going back to the chart, and so we got in right here at, and I'll show you the time. Okay, so that's 11 o'clock candle. So we got in this candle right here. Okay, and it immediately started to work for us. And we kept on holding. We held through this. It broke over the highs. It closed, not only broke over, but it closed over the highs. Okay, so that's really bullish. And this was a bull flag. I posted this live on StockTwits and Twitter to help you navigate this trade. And we held through here. We held through here. And right around here, let's see, what time is this? This is right around 2 o'clock. Yeah, so 2 o'clock. This is 1:30. That's military time. 13:30 is, or global time rather. 13:30 is 1:30. So that was right before they made the news announcement about the battery packs. So we wanted to be out of this trade before the news announcement came, because we were looking at the daily chart as well. If you look at the daily chart on Tesla. Okay, so we said in the chat room, if it wasn't over 275 by the time the news announcement came, that we were going to get out of our calls. Okay, because we didn't want to risk a dump on the reaction to the news, which is exactly what happened. And the reason we were looking at 275 is because that was the open of this candle right here. So it's right there, and a break over 275 would have kept us in the trade, and we would have gone for the gap fill right here at 279. Okay, so that's the trade that we were looking for. We were looking for a break over the 275 mark before the news announcement. Okay, we didn't want to risk being in the trade during the news announcement, so we got out on this candle right here. Okay, at about 1:30, and we alerted it in the chat room. Let's see, where was it? Okay, at 1:42, we got out at 280, and that was a 25% gain. Pretty solid. Yeah, that's the trade. And we also got in later, but I'll save that for another video. Yeah, so that's the Tesla trade. You can get a glimpse behind the curtain of the trading analyst member-only features like the live chat room, educational videos, and real-time superior option and stock alerts with your free 15-day trial at thetradinganalyst.com.